Hello, my friends. It is your friend, CryptoFace, and I hope that everyone is getting plenty of rest. We are going to continue to see whiplash, movements up and down. And I want to point something out. We have a lot of new people coming. Something we've spoken on this channel forever since we've started was how Bitcoin will create a pattern and repeat this pattern on numerous time frames over and over again. Sometimes these patterns are widely known, whether it's a head and shoulders or some type of flag, or sometimes it's completely made up, like this one, which we call the Cantonese Cup. And in this specific pattern, Bitcoin will dump down, wick down, come back up to somewhere either maybe a little bit above where it was before, a little bit below, equal, and then continue to the downside. We are still seeing this pattern play out. And so what we've been doing is when we see this pattern, this Cantonese Cup, it dips down, it comes up. At least for myself, I look to short to an eventual continuation to the downside. Now, any move is going to require patience. Taking a look at the Swedish shuffle, we said that we'd eventually be busting through into this previous pattern. And that we would meet some resistance in here, so to speak, or support, whatever you want to call it, price action in this zone with a couple touches down. Now more than ever, I cannot stress enough how important it is to not bite off more than you can chew, or put yourself in an uncomfortable situation, whether it's with too much leverage, too much of a position size, or maybe just an entry that you're not super comfortable with. But at the end of the day, what I will say is when we look at these larger time frames, we have more room to the downside, more. We have Bitcoin is going to have to sweat out a lot of sell pressure. So if you're new here and you're wondering how to get a hold of Market Cipher or access to the whale crew, CryptoFaceCrypto.com. Yesterday we went on Crypto's channel and we said that, where was it here? Here we go. We were right about here, right? And we said that Bitcoin was going to go up a little bit, maybe around the 8,700 area, and potentially higher up as well. But that it was going to go up a little bit and then come back down. And it is exactly what happened. And I believe that the same thing is going to continue to happen again. So whatever you believe, whether you're long or short scalping, now is not the time to be playing with fire because the fire is ravaging. Now's the time where so many get wrecked over and over, where they'll freak out because of one little move, exit the trade for loss, and it goes back down. Then they want to re-enter, then they exit and lose and lose and lose. The one way to ensure that you will not have to take a loss is low leverage. And remember, the lower the price is, the greater percentage swings are. When we're up at 13, 12,000, Bitcoin moves a couple $100, the percentage isn't that much. But the lower we go, the percentage swings are greater, which also means more opportunity, but also more risk. So I'm certainly keeping my eye on these Cantonese cups that push down, come back up, and continue to the downside. I am absolutely keeping my eye on things such as blood diamonds and yellow X's. Beautiful blood diamond right here, right before this drop. Absolutely beautiful. I want to say thank you to all the other YouTubers out there who have been mentioning, you know, our big short. I appreciate the coverage. We're going to keep on keeping on. And we welcome all of you new members. All I ask for is that you be respectful to each other. Don't be a dick. Try not to flop and grope. And if you are, keep it to yourself. Anyways, I have so many errands to run and take care of today. I also have to be up early tomorrow morning. I have a rather important business meeting, and it's early. It's at like 9 or 10 in the morning, which is normally a time that I don't see lately. So if you're going to take anything away from this video, if you are trading, really take a look at the leverage that you are using. Decrease it. There is going to be wicked moves. And just don't lose your gains. Pay yourself. Cash out. Just because you win a big trade doesn't mean you have to put all that money back in. Don't forget to sleep. Price action will be there tomorrow. Bitcoin's not going anywhere. It might be going down overall. It's going to go up and down. But just don't be one of those people that wrecks themselves. Bonus feature. I have shorted the S&P 500. Opened up a short. We're on the 3-day right here. We have a beautiful, beautiful divergence here with our momentum waves and price action indicating a bigger move. Politically, there's a bunch of BS going on. Something to maybe look at. Other than that, if that market does dump, I'll certainly be looking forward to a gold pump. I would love to see gold just continue to the next level to 1600. And I will jolly up and down like a leprechaun. So until then, good luck. God bless, Godspeed, and take care of yourself. Don't do anything stupid.